Hey guys, Todd from COSN coming at you again today. Hey, today I just want to do a really quick video on the update on the Primal Gear Unlimited Survival Bow. I know you haven't heard that name in a while, and some of you have heard that name. You're wondering like what happened. And that's what I'm wondering. So I did a lot of research. If you don't know what the Primal Gear Unlimited Survival Bow is or was, basically it was a bow produced, American made, and they made a basically a folding longbow for survival. You can put it in a backpack. It's compact, holds 55 pounds weight. Draw weight. A great concept. It was a really good concept. Well, through all my videos, I did a lot of videos for this company, for their website. I did a lot of videos on YouTube, comparison videos, even with the SAS survival bow. If you don't know what that is another one, survival archery systems. So, and I knew the owners of both companies, and when I was doing these reviews and had talked to them, and I talked to the owners of Survival Archery Systems. I don't know if it's the same owner over there now as it is today. Well, so I just wanted to say first off, with those people that do know what the PGU is, or the Primal Gear Unlimited Survival Bow, and you watch my videos and you went to order one, and this was 5, 6 years ago, they went out of business. So I was going through a lot of my old comments, and some people were upset because they paid for it and they weren't receiving it. So I do want to say sorry if you did order a bow off of one of my videos and you never received it. So that is one of the reasons I want to do this update. I did a ton of research. I knew the owners of the company. They were great people. That's why I didn't understand, that they wouldn't call people back, or they wouldn't maybe refund their money. I don't know if there was a death in the family. I don't know what exactly happened. And if you guys do, and please, if you guys do, I did a lot of research. I went to forums. I've read tons of different forums, YouTube videos, watched YouTube videos of people that had paid for it and didn't receive it. Some people got their money back, and then they found a used one and they bought the used one, which is good because it's a great product. It was a really good product, and that's why I don't know why they went out of business. But if you guys know, or if you knew them personally, or you knew what happened to them back then, please put a comment in the comment block. Let me know. As far as I can tell, I was researching it, and then all of a sudden it led to another survival bow, and it's the LX survival bow, and this one is made out of China. So it kind of made me think that maybe, I don't know if there was an issue in the family, something happened, that maybe they sold the idea, the patent, to China, or China started to produce it and they kind of pushed them out of business. I don't know again. So, with that being said, you can get the LX survival bow, which is the exact replica of the PGU, except for they actually made some pretty good upgrades. Not gonna lie, and we will be doing a full review of this bow against the old school PGU and the new school survival archery systems, which is SAS. We're gonna get their SAS Ranger Compact, and we're gonna throw that into the mix as well because I had been asked to do so. So I will. So we're going to put all three of these bows into a side-by-side comparison. But with that, the LX survival bow, again, made in China, found it online, purchased it, and I don't know. I don't know if they sold, their rights. I don't know if they sold their patent. I don't know if they had a death in the family and just shut down. I don't know. Again, I apologize for anybody that has lost any money. If you did lose any money on that deal, it was a great bow, and it's still a great bow. I've had this PGU for years. I used to have two. I actually sold my other one because one of my friends wanted it, but I've had this for years, and it's just been a solid and great bow. So I'm a little upset that that company is no longer around. I was one of their original creators of doing their videos, and of course Pathfinder did a video, and then Twig and Bang did a video, and so there's a lot of them out there. But we're gonna do the upgraded version, and what's kind of crazy, what makes me think they might have sold out to the builders of this, the LX bow, is on eBay. Some of their pictures, if you zoom in, they'll actually have the PGU bow, and you can read it on their actual the lockouts on your riser, and interesting. Anyway, so like I said, the LX Bow, they actually did some really cool upgrades. They made it so you can put in sights, dampener, counterweight. They actually cut out these slots to reduce some weight. And again, we'll do the comparison video and weigh both and see where we're at. You know, the sights is going to add a little bit more, make it a little less compact, but you do have sights. And the SAS, we'll get that one in and do a quick update video on that, and then we'll do a full comparison on all of them. So I don't know. So if you guys have any idea what happened to PGU, please let me know. I don't like assuming what happened. Um, you know, if they sold out or, you know, death of family, whatever, the business, it went out of business. I looked at the Better Business Bureau and they just said that they were out of business. So if you guys know something, please put it down in the comment block. Let me know, and we can start a discussion on that. And look forward to my future videos of the LX and the SAS against the original PGU survival bow. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, prepare your communities, hope for the best, but prepare for the worst. I know right now, with everything going on overseas, inflation, I mean, just the craziness going on, you know, focus on what you can control. So I really appreciate you guys watching, and I will catch you on the next video.